Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Boxycharm unboxing for this month, which is January. It is 2021, y'all. It's 2021. So let's see how they start us off this month. So if you guys don't know, Boxycharm is a $25 beauty subscription service. It comes to your door monthly with 4 to 5 full-size products. There are 2 upgrades to this box. There is a Boxy Luxe, which comes in place of your base box 4 times a year, so it's quarterly. That one is $50 per Boxy Luxe, and it comes with, I'm pretty sure, 8 to 9 full-size products, and they're usually more luxurious and expensive. And then there is Boxycharm Premium, which you can add on and do the base box and the premium. It's an every month thing, or you could just get premium, which is $35 a month, and I think they have 7 full-size products and like a little bit more exclusive brands. I've been getting the base box and the upgrade of Boxy Luxe for 3 years now, and honestly, I love it. It's like a present to myself every month, and sometimes it's come on like really low days, and I don't know, buying things for myself or like getting things, especially like when I don't know what I'm getting, it just excites me a little bit. So let's get into the box this month. So this month's theme is Fresh Start, which that is something we all need. And all of the items are on the back. I do miss when they had the fold out cards. They did it for like 2 days. Alright, so the first item in the box is from Dr. Brandt. This is the DNA Triple Peptide Eye Cream with, oh, DNA stands for Do Not Age. So this retails for $82. This retails for $82. It says, this deeply hydrating peptide powered cream helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness for refreshed, younger looking eyes for all skin types. It's funny, I was just thinking to myself, like, man, I should really buy a new eye cream. I guess I don't have to. It comes in this little bottle here, and I wonder what the applicator looks like. Oh, okay. I thought it was gonna be one of those applicators where like you, like it makes that shape that's like good for under your eyes, but it's when you just squeezy on. So cool. I'm excited to try this, and you know, I always like eye creams. They just have to be moisturizing enough because I have really dry eyes, y'all. Alright, the next item in the box is going to be this one. This is from Bali Balm, and this is from Bali Balm, and this is a sweet orange and coconut lip balm. Ugh, I always need new lip balms. Man, I don't know about you guys, but wearing the mask is great and I haven't gotten sick, but my lips are so dry all the time from it. Ooh. That's, I'm sorry, I'm like sticking it up my nose because I can't really smell it, but let me try pushing a little bit out. That's a smell that's so interesting. It's like, you definitely smell the coconut, but then the sweet orange kind of cuts it a little bit and makes it a little acidic. This is really cool. This retails for $33. This says essential oil of sweet orange and coconut gives this lip balm its citrusy, tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is a natural exfoliant and moisturizer for soft, supple lips. I'm excited to try this. Boxycharm knows that, you know, you can never have too many lip balms, and since I lose all of my lip balms frequently, this is really good. Alright, the next item in the box is from Pharmacy, which is a brand that, put the box down. The next item we have is from Pharmacy. This is a brand that I've gotten quite a few times in Boxycharm, and I've been really happy with every product I've used from them. So this is the Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer with with moringa and papaya. It was either this one or I think you could have gotten a toner, but I'm happy I got the moisturizer because I've been using the Fenty toner since last year. I can say that now because it's 2021. And I love that one so much. This is so luxe. This is so nice. Let me smell this. Oh, can I smell it through here? No. Ooh, it's green. Wait, I knew that. Huh, that smells interesting. I really didn't think the cream was going to be green. I thought the bottle was green, but the cream's also green. So now I'm like, is the bottle green or is the bottle clear? Alright, I'm going to just put this on my back of my hand and see how it feels. God, I can't describe the smell of this, but it's reminds me of something medicinal, but also like something spicy. It smells spicy and medicinal. It smells actually pretty good though. Like it's definitely a natural smell. It's not like something they put things in. So let's see what the literature says about this one. It's a really good size. I'm excited to use this. This retails for $38. This says it's an oil-free and silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving skin feeling greasy. This vegan, cruelty-free formula consists of hyaluronic acid and a blend of phytonutrients, known to help clear pores and reduce shine. It seems like this would be better suited for someone who has oily skin if it's to reduce shine. This seems like it'd be like targeted towards someone with oily skin since it says it reduces shine, but I'm open to trying it. I just hope it's moisturizing enough for me. If not, you know, oh, this was made exclusively for Boxycharm. I looked at the bottom of the box. So this is a Boxycharm exclusive. Yeah, I'm excited to try it out. I hope that it works with me because I have dry skin. You know, I'm not oily, so that like makes me a little nervous. All right, the next item in the box is one I actually customized. This is the Persona Cosmetics Power Brush. And I actually, is it called the Power Brush? Yeah, it is. Wow, I'm so good. I actually already own this product, but when I was looking through the things to get, I figured I could always use more of these. This is a really pretty brush. It's dual-ended. It says blush and highlight, but I honestly really love to use this with foundation, especially stick foundation. I like to blend it into the bristles and then apply it to my face. The bristles are so incredibly soft, and I love to use this side as a highlighter brush, but also to blend out some concealer. It's the perfect shape. It gets right up underneath the eye, but it's also really good at packing in that highlighter and looking really smart and fresh. I know this is $25 because I actually purchased it from Persona, oh sorry, $24, because I purchased it from Persona Cosmetics the day it launched. I don't know if anyone here knows, but Persona is my favorite brand, and typically I buy everything that they launch. This is no exception. So now I have a backup brush. Okay, and the last product in the box is a eyeshadow palette. I feel like we get so many palettes from this from the subscription box. This is Ciate the Velvet palette. I actually tried my first Ciate palette a while ago. I think it was in my Boxy Luxe. I was pretty impressed by it. Oh, it's a soft touch matte packaging. So nice. I'm just going to open it to see the colors. Alright, so it looks like here we have a few different finishes. This one looks quite glittery. These are mostly metallics. This looks like a shimmer shade. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4... I think there's 5 mattes, or are these satins? I can't really tell. I'm just going to swatch this glittery one on the back of my hand because it's the one that's like calling to me most. That is pretty glittery. And let me do this gold one. Alright. So these are the... I swatched 2 of the shimmers and they're okay. I'll have to see them on my eye. I'm not super excited about the color story of this palette, but I always say that and then I'll try it on my face and be like, damn, I love this palette. So we'll see, we'll see. This retails for $30. It's a good size, like it's a good mini size. It says create molten metal and matte looks with this palette, featuring a mix of hypermetallics, soft shimmers, and velvety smooth mattes. The innovative powder formula delivers high pigment with soft application. I'm curious. I know the other palette we could have gotten was green, and I was hoping for that one because I like green, but I think what draws me most to this palette is this purple shade right here. Probably gonna do something purpley, coppery maybe, purple copper. We'll see what comes to my mind, but that is the last product in the box. So this month, that is it. Let me just quickly do some math. Where did I put my phone? Where did I put my, oh, right here. Oh, girl. I found it. Okay, so this month's box is worth $207, which is great because you only pay $25 for the box. I think the thing I'm most excited for actually is the lip balm and the eye cream. I mean, of course this brush goes without saying because it's my favorite thing. And now I'm happy I have two. The things I'm least excited for are probably the moisturizer and the palette. And that's so interesting because when I was looking at variations of the box, I was thinking it was going to be the other way around. I thought I was going to be more excited for the moisturizer and the palette rather than the other superfluous things. But this month surprised me. So that is it for this month's box. Leave down below what you got, if you got the same variation as me or a different one. I got variation, oh god, C2101027-BA. Usually it's just a number. And yeah, subscribe if you want to. I've been a little bit more active on here recently, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.